Hey there, Python fans. Welcome back to Pycraze, the channel that makes Python programming simple and fun. And today we're going to explore a really cool concept in object-oriented programming called polymorphism. But hold on, don't go anywhere. Whether you're just starting out or you've been coding for a while, this concept is super useful. Why? Because learning about polymorphism can help you write cleaner and more efficient code. And the examples we're going to show you today will make it easy to understand. So grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's dive into the world of polymorphism together. By the end of this video, you'll have a new perspective on Python. Let's get started. Polymorphism is a fancy term that comes from Greek, meaning many shapes in programming. It refers to the ability of different objects to respond to the same method call in different ways. Simply put, polymorphism allows us to define one interface and have multiple implementations. This is super useful when we want to perform the same action in different ways, depending on the object. So why should you care about polymorphism? Well, it helps make your code more modular and easier to maintain. By allowing objects to be treated as instances of their parent class, we can write more generic and reusable code. For example, if we have a function that works on a parent class, we can pass in any child class object, and the function will work seamlessly. This is especially useful when working with large code bases or when implementing features that may change in the future. Let's look at a basic example to understand how polymorphism works in Python. Imagine we have a base class called animal with a method speak. We'll also have two subclasses, dog and cat, that inherit from animal but override the speak method. In this example, dog and cat are both subclasses of animal. They each have their own implementation of the speak method. When we call speak on a dog object, it returns woof. When we call it on a cat object, it returns meow. Let's see it in action. Here are here's our code in action. Let's create instances of dog and cat and call their speak methods. As you can see, even though we're calling the same method, the output is different based on the object's type. This is the power of polymorphism. That's a simple introduction to polymorphism in Python. It allows you to write more flexible and maintainable code by enabling multiple implementations of the same interface. In the next videos, we'll explore more advanced aspects of polymorphism and see how it's used in real-world applications. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pycraze for more Python tips and tricks. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.